I've always liked robots, starting as a kid, and I actually purchased a Lego Mindstorms NXT at one point, and that's kind of just sparked my interest in getting into robotics.
Justin Collins has taken his passion for robotics to the next level by creating a camp to help kids learn more about science and technology.
It started with the Clarkson University was doing a demonstration here about robotics and the FLL, and these guys were looking for a coach to start up their own FLL team.
FLL sounds like it could be a fight club for robots, but it actually stands for First Lego League. It is an international program in which kids use Lego robots to navigate obstacle courses designed to mimic real-world issues. This year's topic is sustainable energy.
There are 7 challenges. 6 of them are activated by various things the robot does, like one is a wind turbine, which they activate by pressing a button. It spins the wind turbine and releases a little translucent block. That's called an energy block. And they have to collect those and activate the 7th challenge, which is Green City.
The connection between classic cars and robotics isn't immediately obvious, but Lisa LaFountain believes that the Champlain Valley Transportation Museum is the ideal venue for events like this.
Because it relates to science and technology, which is used in transportation, automobiles, airplanes, and we have the staff here to help children build the robots.
We attended a robotics event last spring when there were demonstrations of robots, and my son got very excited about robots.
The camp is 2 hours a day for 5 days, and they're using 2 robots. Both teams have designed 2 completely different robots, and that's a very interesting aspect to see. One is definitely built for speed, and it's a lot larger. And that one, it turns really quickly and such, but the other one is a lot smaller, more compact, and it uses treads rather than wheels. And that kind of allows them to turn more sharper at the center point.
The Robotics Camp provides the opportunity for participants to learn the scientific method. Through trial and error, they build the robots and design the programs that allow the robots to complete the tasks necessary for the final challenge.
Well, they're going step by step. Like, they're programming one step of the program first, which maybe would be to drive forward. And then the next step, once they do that and have it to where they want, they go back and program another block, which would set down, like, say, the solar panel on top of the roof. And then they would have to adjust that to find the right angles to adjust the time the motors are spinning and such.
We have treads on the bottom, which use 2 motors. So we had to put those on the bottom, and we put the memory on top of the 2 motors so that the 2 motors would be able to connect to it. And then we just made sure that it was stable. And then we added this 3rd motor for the arm, because that's what this is the one thing that we're gonna use for most of the challenges.
The final challenge is to make the Green City spin. Accomplishing this requires that a team complete all of the other challenges. During this session, neither team collected all the energy cells, but the camp was still a success from an educational perspective.
When you all work together, it's fun because you can actually see what others' inputs are. And then you put it all together, and then when the actual challenge comes, you think, oh, we did this together.
Just very, very happy that robotic camps came into place in Plattsburgh. I think it's great for all the kids who live in Plattsburgh and in the North Country. And I hope more kids have a chance to participate in such events.
I got a Lego Mindstorms kit past the age of these guys, so it's very interesting to see how these littler kids are adapting to with these Lego robotics.
The camp may be just the start for Tiffany and the others. They could design the next generation of robots that will travel to Mars and beyond.